tutorial, I will show you how to compute frequencies from a pie chart. And let's read the question. We have, after surveying 30 classmates about their color preferences, Donald came up with the following pie chart. And the question is, how many Donald's classmates prefer Pepsi? So first thing we need to acknowledge is that we have the following pie chart, and in terms of relative frequency, the number of Donald's classmates is 40%. So the question is asking not what percentage of Donald's classmates prefers Pepsi, but in absolute numbers, how many classmates prefer Pepsi. So to rephrase this question, we are asked what is 40% of 30. And to find 40% of 30, or any percentage of any quantity, we take the percentage in decimal form and multiply it by that quantity. So in this case, we have to take 0.4 and multiply it by 30. And the answer is 12. So if we type 12 over here, we will get the right answer. If you want to practice a similar question, see the link in the description below.